Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can withdraw your money on TikTok. So you're just going to press the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to go to settings and privacy. Then you are going to select balance, and you're going to then select the view button under live rewards. And to withdraw the money, just press the withdraw button, and it's going to select the bank or the app you want the money to go to. I don't know what it's going to be like for yours, because it's going to be displayed differently, because I might live in a different country. But just press withdraw, and you'll also need to confirm your phone number. I think you'll also need to have a phone number on your account, so make sure you have that. And you can also exchange your balance for coins if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!